Sister number 1, si Teddy.
Oh my goodness, I'm so smart.
Sister number 2, si Bobby.
True love my ass.
Sister number 3, si Alex.
I love my life. Woo!
Sister number 4, si Gabby. And the baby of the family, si CJ.
I'm getting married! Ha? Magpapakasal?
Hindi kayo nakulang, nag-iuma yung piso natin.
Ma!
Ate Bobby!
Ate ka ba? Sigurado na diyan? Sa babae gusto mo papakasalan.
Oo naman ate.
Eh, chararat daw, sabi nitong si Alex. eh.
Anong chararat? Chararat yung...
Pinaganda mo pa? Pa.
Are the sisters ready to let him go?
Kami kinalaman nila, okay?
Eh lahat naman tayo isa lang gusto na wag ipakasal si CJ kay Princess. Are the sisters trying to fix their brother's life?
Yung plano kayo? Kayong lahat. Ano yung plano nyo? Ha?
Ay, pareha lang sa'yo na hindi ka daw makasal kay Princess.
Or do they need to fix their own?
Kaya kapag ikaw nag-girlfriend, kaya joke nga yun eh. Kaya dapat hindi ka nasasaktan.
Don't give comments about my personal life because I don't give comments about yours.
Ano ba natin ko ngayon? Why do I even have to take sides?
Okay, tama na.
Si CJ pa pang pinag-uusapan natin? Hindi ka pa nag-iisip? Hindi mo pa ginamit yung utak mo? Oh my God!
Ate,
Gets ko nga yun. Talpak na.
New Year ka lang, yabang mo na.
Oh, so this is all about me now.
Hindi eh. Naman ang ugali mo eh.
Uy!
Ano, palagi naman eh.
Nag-aaway ba kayo?
Hindi man naglalaro kami.
Lang charades.
What's your percent to being yourself if they not fail?
Pwede bigyan ng maraming option of
As a Group 1, we will bringing you the love and excitement of the film as we bring you the joy of the four sisters and a wedding.